I'm Angela Howell. I'm with the Sweetwater Place Foundation. We're here working again today, and we actually found a treasure. The sidewalk, we believe, is a walk that was built when the house was built. It goes from one side of the house to the other, and we've uncovered it today. So we're finding a little bit more every day of this wonderful old place. And every day is a treasure trove of different things we're finding. We appreciate all the volunteers that we have. We have several here today working, trying to get the old girl back up and going. And I wanted to say that if you're not physically able, we do have a GoFundMe page. If you want to donate, that's fine. If you can't, we understand. But it's there for those that might want to. And we're going to try to keep up with everything, and slowly but surely she's coming back to life once again. And we welcome any volunteers. If you want to come out and volunteer and you're able to, just come right ahead. We would love to help, and I know she would. So don't forget to check out our Facebook page. We have one on there. It's Sweetwater Place Foundation, and get on there and find out more about what's going on, photos, different things. And we appreciate everybody that's coming out and doing all the hard work and really helping to keep our history alive. So thank you, and please come out and help if you want to.